this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the premium Google Classroom integration to assign students templates while enforcing your locking restrictions. Once you're in Lucidpress, find your document and convert it to a template by clicking on More and choosing Convert to Template. Don't forget to check Enforce Locking Restrictions. Then press Save. Click on New to create a new version of your document. Once you're in the editor, on the top right of your screen, click on the Google Classroom icon and select Create Assignment. A pop-up dialog will appear, allowing you to sign in and asking for permission. Then choose the class, assignment name, instructions, and due date. You can publish the assignment or save it as a draft. A dialog will appear on the bottom left that will let you preview your assignment in Google Classroom. You can edit more details in Google Classroom to modify which students will see the assignment, add a point value, and more. When students log into Google Classroom, they will see your assignment in their stream. When they click on the hyperlink, each student will receive his or her own copy of the document. Their name will automatically be appended to the end of the document's name. As the teacher, you will automatically be shared on their documents so you can give them feedback at any time. Students can start editing your template, and any locks you placed will be enforced. Learn more about locking in our other tutorial. When students are ready to submit their assignment, they can click on the Google Classroom icon on the top right corner and select Turn in Assignment. A pop-up dialog will appear asking students to select their class, the assignment, and to attach their file. On the last step, students must click on View Assignment to open Google Classroom and to finally submit and turn in their assignment. Once students have submitted their assignment, they will lose edit access to the document. They will still be able to view and add comments to their document. To regain edit permission, you will need to go into Share and change the student's permission level. To grade the student's assignments, you will do so through Google Classroom. But you can also leave comments and feedback in Lucidpress. For more Lucidpress tutorials, check out the full playlist on our channel. If you have questions or requests for a new tutorial, please let me know in the comments.